All right, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. This is day one of my millionaire mission, and I want you to come along with me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
I'm not starting off with a fancy closing or a viral win. I'm starting off with text messages, emails, and good old-fashioned cold calling. I live here in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, so I want to invest within an hour of my front door because I want to see, touch, and walk my property. Lately, I've been on the grind calling apartment owners, all off market, no MLS. Pro tip: if you are a licensed realtor, you have to disclose. That's the first thing I tell them. My name is Eric Pinkney. I am a licensed realtor, and I am the broker in charge of the Pinkney Estates agents, and putting in writing, whether it's a disclosure form or an email. And don't forget to disclose. I got a couple of contacts right here in Chapel Hill that may be open to creative finance. These owners that I'm in contact with, they own small apartment buildings that are a quarter mile within UNC. So if you do invest out of state, invest near a hospital or college. That one maybe could be the first domino. It's not about theory. It's about doing the real work right now. I'm not doing this to impress anybody. I'm doing this for my wife, my son, and the Pinkney legacy. And the future Eric, who doesn't depend on anyone's paycheck or services. The plan. Glad you asked. Owning an apartment complex is my retirement plan. The goal is to get an off-market deal under contract with creative terms. Renovate it, refinance, but this is a different refinance though. It's just like flipping, except you get to hold on to the property. I'll go deeper into that in a future video. Eventually, I want to bring together local investors and possibly a syndication. For now, it's just me, the telephone, and the vision. Follow the journey. I'm going to show every win, every L, and every move I make on this playlist. This is a live blueprint that we're both a part of. If you see me making mistakes, drop it in the comment. If you have value that you can add to the journey, drop it in the comments. My email, phone number, website, all of my social platforms are in the bio. One thing I learned about everybody at the top is that they don't get there by themselves. This is my millionaire mission. This is not to freedom. It is time for our toasty tip of the day. Toasty! Don't wait for a perfect deal. Just get in the room and start the convo. Momentum in relationships open doors that money can't. That concludes this week's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share with your mom and them. Be blessed.